Hello my friends, welcome again. Here I am in the dashboard, and in this video I'm going to work with edit mode. We are going to update the listings, but before that I'm going to show you is when you hit the create a button. Here we show the form and we have the create button here, and when we hit the edit we have the update, and this is because here we show the if we have edit mode to true, we have the edit mode here, and by default it is false. If we have edit mode to true, it's going to show the update button, otherwise it's going to show the create button. And when we hit this edit button here, so when we click the edit button, we change, we call this a show modal, and this show edit modal, this is going to change the edit mode to true. But the problem is when we hit the create, we need to have, so we hit the create and we have the edit, we have the update, but we hit create again, we have update, and that's it. That is because we're not changing the edit mode to false when we close the modal. Okay, now we need to change this, and to do this one we need to look for the changes of the show modal. So if the show modal is now is true, if we close is false. So if this is false, it's going to be, we need to change this to false. And to do this, I'm going to make a method, and is the updated hook in the Livewire, and we are looking for the show modal. Okay, and we're not expecting any params. Just change this edit mode to false, save and refresh. Okay, now we have the create button, we have the update here, and we have the create again. Cool. Now let's work with this to add the data. And so when we show edit modal, we have the ID, and we change the show modal to true and edit mode to true. Now we need to add data to the properties here, and to do this we need first to find the listing with this ID. So model listing, and I'm going to find the listing with this ID, and I'm going to instantiate this with a listing. Okay, and now this name is going to be what the listing name is. Okay, hope makes sense for you. So come here and refresh, and now we edit, we have the listing with listing 1, we hit edit here, we have listing 2, and so on. Okay, now just to copy this and do the same for the rest we have. Okay, we have the address. Yeah. And we have the website. Okay. Email. And phone. and the bio. Okay, save, come here and refresh. And when we hit the edit, yeah, we have all the data. Cool. Now, when we hit the button here, update, we don't do anything for now, but we need to update the listing. So wire click, and I'm going to call it a listing update. Okay, copy this one and save. So after the create listing, I'm going to call the create new method, listing update. Okay, so here we need to update the listing, but first we need to find the listing what we want to update, and we don't have an ID here. And what we can do is come here and after that add one property for the listing ID. Okay, and when we have the listing ID here, I'm going to change this listing ID with the ID we have here. And now when you have the update, I'm going to find the listing like this. But not with this ID, but with this listing ID. Okay, and now this the listing update. And we need to update. I'm going to copy this one. And call the validate before. Okay, so call the validate first, and after that we update the listing, and yeah, the same thing here, reset. Okay, if I save and come here and refresh and change this one, update it. Okay, update, and the web format is invalid because we not add the HTTP yes here. So update, and yeah, is updated, and also is this one updated. Change this one, and why we have the name field is required, because we have the field. Why we have that? Okay, one again, listing 2 updated, and change this to the HTTPS youtube.com. Okay, update this one, and yeah, we have the YouTube and updated, and this again updated, and change this to the HTTPS laravel.com update, and so on. Yeah. Okay, so I want to display the message here. The listing is updated, and if I come here and open the views, components, we have the banner here from the jet stream, and he have the props for the style, so we can do flash banner style to success, and message is going to be a session flash banner. Okay, close this one. So here we can do is session flash and flash banner listing updated successfully. Okay, save, and just check now if I edit this one and hit the update. Yeah, we updated, but we're not showing anything. And why we have that? Sorry, because if I open the app.blade.php, I think, yeah, I saw the banner. Yeah, we have the XJet banner here, but I don't know why we're not showing. So just copy this one here and add it. I'm going to add it here. Okay, so add it here, save, and refresh. Edit again. U update, and yeah, listing updated successfully. Okay, and we have the extra edit to close the button. I think we are good to go for this video, and we can do the same thing for the copy this one when we create the listing, and just here we change this to created successfully, and now when we create a listing we can show the message. Okay, my friends, hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Thank you very much, all the best.